What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As you guys can see, I was very bullish yesterday that I even forgot to talk about what could happen. What's the worst case scenario that we could expect? So this on from the daily, it seems to be a fake out, yes, and from the 4 hours time frame right here, it seems like we are actually going to drop all the way down to $102,000 at the end of the day. It seems so. Now with the look of things right here, I was very bullish. Yes, I can't deny that. I thought we've gotten to the local bottom, but I didn't know that the market maker still had us in mind. So without wasting much of our time right here, we could see right here that that we've been making these lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And as of last week Friday, we had this CME gap right here that wasn't filled. This 106,700. So I think the market just had to come all the way down here to 106,600 to fill this CME gap right here. I forgot to on the CME gap yesterday, so I'm very, very sorry about that, guys. So the CME gap needs to be filled at 106,600, and we are most likely going to even drop lower to 105,000. 104,700. Once we're able to find support around here, just as we did here, we are most likely going to keep on rallying much higher, breaking all the major resistance. All we just need to do is find support around this level at 104,900, because if we happen to break below this support right here, we are most likely going to be dropping all the way down to 102,130, and that was literally where this long week was able to find support. So this is actually a key level where we should be taking note of. And in terms of gold, we will see that gold is actually dumping. Yes, gold is actually dumping. This is some kind of a double top pattern left to me. So if we're going to be getting this double top pattern right here, I think it's most likely going to be a pullback for gold, which we might end up seeing. If we get this double top pattern, we're most likely going to be dropping lower to $4,050, which might actually make altcoins rally. Or yeah, because if money is being taken from gold, it's most likely going to move into, if not the USD, so then to move into risk on assets, then which is going to be Bitcoin. In terms of the S&P 500 right here, we are expecting a retest. So just like I said, we've broken out, so we should be expecting a retest all the way down to 6,722 or $6,700 before we rally much higher. This is still very much valid right here. So yep, I think that just basically it for Bitcoin. In terms of the news, give me a sec, guys. Let's dive straight into the news. In terms of the news, nothing much. President Trump to visit China in early 2026 after being invited by Xi Jinping. Not really much there. Binance founder says Bitcoin will flip gold market cap. Okay, we all know that like years to come. President Trump says he will make a strong trade deal with China 2026. President Trump says China may pay if God, Trump is an AS. China may pay if 155% tariff if there is no trade by November. God almighty. Total spot Bitcoin ETF volume surpasses 2 billion in the first 2 hours of trading volume. Nothing really much good. So back to the chart right here. Bitcoin is giving all it needs to give. So maybe today we might end up getting a move like this. We'll have to retest this resistance before dropping lower. So yeah, that's just basically it for Bitcoin. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.